Felt for some Jamaican style steamed fish with some bammy, and yes, because I'm extra, a little plantain on the side. Don't forget to like, comment, interact with me, guys. Don't forget to share my videos and drop a like. Thank you. Here goes all the veggies that I'll be using to do my Jamaican style steamed fish. I seasoned my fishes with my Jamaican style reggae and breeze blend. Have you checked out Shelly's Pickle Reggae and Breeze? Looking for salt-free, sodium-free. Have you checked out Shelly's Reggae and Breeze? I curated these blends specifically for you. No sodium, a little sea salt, natural herbs and spices, no additives, no preservatives. What are you waiting on? Run on over to Shelly's J.A. Pickle. Are you suffering from hypertension? Are you looking in the new year to change the way how you consume a lot of sodium? Then run on over and support your girl. Added some olive oil and my aromatics, onions, bell pepper, lots of garlic. To my pot, added some scallion and some thyme, some allspice. Then I added carrots, potatoes, pumpkin. Jamaican style steamed fish can be done many different ways. And in this video, how I did mine, I allowed my veggies to cook for at least 5 minutes. Then I added in my already seasoned fish because I'll be steaming this. Once I added in my fish, then I added a little hint of water to this. No, I want all my fishes to be cooked. I added some okra. This is optional. And then I will cover to steam. I did not add water. There is already enough fat in this. We have to change how we cook, right? Added in my okras and I covered. And listen, within 20 minutes, my pot was like ready. My veggies were cooked. My okra was ready. And there goes my Jamaican style steaming fish. Now, I did this video like way back. I just got a chance to even edit to do a video. Don't forget, interact with me, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment. And I did this with some steamed bammy on the side. Don't forget to like.